Welcome to my channel, Okeh. How are you today? This time we will discuss a video about sharpen scissors easily. Have you subscribed to my channel? I really hope you subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. And I thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. First, we spray soapy water. Then we use an old toothbrush to scrub the scissors. Tomorrow evenly until the dirt is gone. From which country are you from? I really enjoy getting to know people all over the world. Watch this video until the end, so that you don't miss this step-by-step video. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Then take a cloth to clean the scissors. Then we apply toothpaste to the scissors. Then we apply the toothpaste evenly. After it is evenly distributed, we move the scissors. Then we rub the scissors again. Aims to remove stubborn stains. Then take an old body perfume bottle. Let's try to see if it works. Sharp enough, not like new scissors. I really hope you subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video and have a nice day.